Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable post notifications on Instagram. If you're finding those constant alerts a bit overwhelming, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Instagram app. Once you're logged in, look down at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. This will take you to your profile. Next, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and tap on them. This action will open up the menu where you can access various settings. Now tap on Notifications. Here, you can customize how you receive alerts from Instagram. To specifically disable post notifications, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. You'll find a list of options. Simply scroll down until you see First Post and Story. This is where you can take control of what notifications you receive. All you need to do is select Off. And there you go. You've successfully disabled post notifications on Instagram. Now, you can enjoy your feed without the constant interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.